Uh, Hello, Aries. This is Don with Sonoran Mystic Tarot, and this is your weekly reading for your financial and investment ideas for the week of May 18th through the 25th. Let's see what Spirit and Universe has in store for you and how you can protect your money. Money. On the top of the deck is your energy. I'm loving this. It's the King of Cups. I love the King of Cups because the King of Cups is not just happiness, but you see, he sits on change. He sits on water. And he is rising above, just floating on top of the water. But more importantly, he's floating on top of the water and he is resistant to being moored to lack of change. He's ready to change and he'll go with the flow. He's like, man, just lead me, point me a direction, push the waves, and the waves will push me along. So I love that. That is a great energy to have and wonderful energy for any week, and especially since it's your energy. The next card out is the Wheel of Fortune. The third card out for you this week is in reverse, the 10 of Cups. Not liking that one in reverse, though. And then the fourth card out is a Page of Pentacles. On the bottom of the deck is the overall energy of the reading itself, and the overall energy reading itself is that of a King of Swords. Ain't that a blip, as they say? You have a overall energy of King of Swords for your environment, and you have a King of Cups for your personal and specific energy. So what this is saying this week is all about control. It's all about control. It's about you taking you taking responsibility, you taking a lead, you helping to direct, and you helping to navigate, because there is change afoot. There is change afoot, and there is a time for finding some hidden gem. There is a hidden gem out there. Okay, this is the King of Stability. Okay, so the markets are going to moderate. All right, and so with the markets moderating, there is room for you to jump in and hopefully find a profit center there. And again, that's what this is about. This is changing direction, though. So whatever you've been looking at right now, it may not be it may not be where your most beneficial return is. Okay, you may get return, but it may not be the most beneficial return. And so this is the Wheel of Fortune saying, spin that wheel, take that chance, find that gem, find that little nugget, that kernel of information that'll lead you to a new investment, a new opportunity. Okay, and you can leave it there. And again, it's not going to be terrible, but it's saying here you're just not quite thrilled with what you're seeing already. So again, maybe you're not making much, or maybe you're not seeing the maximizing of your money, or you're maybe even a little bit at risk adverse because of the movement and so forth. So what this is saying is that, again, amp up your happiness, spin the wheel, take a chance, but take a chance because of information, and don't be surprised if, again, this is the news that comes back, and it's prosperity and it's abundance. So in return, when you take that chance, you make a change, you shift in an asset base or an asset classification, or even an asset itself. So what I'm saying is, you could change from, say you go from maybe buying stocks and instead go into an indice, buying an indice. Or if you're buying indices only, then go into a stock, maybe a specific stock. If you're into high tech, or if you're into tech companies, maybe you want to move into some other things, such as maybe healthcare sector, or move into the oil sector or the energy sector. Again, there's many options here. It's what you're picking up information wise. So again, you have to do the work. Remember, the work is there. The information is there. It's available to you. This is already done. The information is done. It's ready. So it's a very fertile, very base structured thing. But again, with the changes, you're just not happy with what you're getting. You want more. You want a better return. And this is saying that you can make that happen, but you have to make it happen, okay? Because again, you're the one spinning the wheel. Don't wait for the universe to do it for you. It's not going to happen. The universe is not. This universe is just sitting there saying, "Hey, I've laid the table for you. Now you got to sit down to dine and you got to pick the menu. So again, let's see some change. There's got to be something. A change is necessary to make a step forward and flip this script. If you don't make change, this will not flip. Okay. So again, I'm not saying you'll be unhappy, even though that's generally the concept there. It's more about not being totally thrilled with what you're seeing. Now let's get some clarifiers here. I love this because the universe is saying if you do not make these changes, the universe is going to step in. They're giving you a warning. They just shot a big old fire across your bow, as they say. So they're sending you a message that if you do not make some changes, then they're going to show you why you shoulda. Okay, and this is a 2x4 moment, and there is a wonderfully strong video that I usually play on my live streams where it's Valerie Bertinelli talking about how you get tapped, you get nudged, and then you get a 2x4 upside your head because the universe does not play. So again, if you don't make changes, don't be surprised if change is made for you. So please spin that wheel, take a look and see what's happening. And whatever it is that you find, again, it's going to align with you. If you spin that wheel, if you find the information and you are comfortable, you'll feel it. You're like, man, this makes sense. This is right for me. This is where I want to be. This is an investment that I feel. And I know that people don't like getting into feelings because it's all about statistics and whatever. Reminder, I'm not a financial guy. I don't have a financial background. I do not have education in finances. I'm a political science major and I am an attorney and I have an engineering background. That's what I have. I'm not this. What I'm giving you is what the universe is telling me energy-wise. So again, first of all, you're not making decisions based on me and what I'm saying. I'm giving you the start of a conversation, and the conversation should be you then taking that information and learning and growing and saying, hey, what is he saying? How is he directing me? Let me see how that makes sense for me. So this is, again, a conversational starter. So somebody might say, oh, look, don't go with feelings. That's all I do because I'm picking up energies. I'm picking up energies from the other side. And they're telling me that if you don't make a change, don't be surprised if something blows up and you're not happy. Again, if you want to stay in this unhappy way, you can do that. But the universe is going to blow things up for you anyway, no matter what. So take advantage of the information that's there. And when it does, you'll feel that it aligns with you. And look at this, another 2. We have 2 of Cups. That 2 of Cups is so important. The reason why I say that, another 2, because it's another Lover's card. The 2 of Cups, if you look at that, it is synonymous with the Lover's card as well. And so the 2 of Cups is saying, look, if you want this alignment, if you want the unhappiness, let the universe change it for you and blow it up for you. Or if you want to flip the script and find this as an option, an opportunity to make some money and to get the news that a great investment happened, then go ahead and make the change. Do the change. And look at this. If you make that change, I've talked about it. If you make the change, you flip the script, you avoid the universe spanking you. It aligns with you because you felt well about it. You get the good news it happened and it happened the way you wanted it. And now your frustration's over. So you may have been having a rough spot in the market and you were so beaten down by the movement of the market. You're like, I don't even want to take another option. I don't want to take another risk. I don't want another chance. This is saying, put that to rest. Put that to rest. And it will be put to rest by you spinning the wheel and making a decision and moving forward. It's been a while. I know. And you're concerned. So again, pay attention to what the universe is sending you, okay? You have 2 choices. Either stay or go. Stay where you are. Be happy with the fact that you ain't doing much, but again, the universe will pay you a price. Or make a change to what aligns with you, which is what I said right here. This is the 3rd alignment card out of all these cards, 3 alignment cards. If you're not getting the point, then you're asleep. I'm telling you, this is a week of you picking something and moving forward and getting a benefit from it in a big way, all right? Staying the course is not going to help you. It's going to be detrimental to you. So again, if you stay the course, you will see negative repercussions. If you move forward, you will see positive repercussions. Again, I'm giving you the spiritual energies that are aligning with you. You do the homework. You do all the rest of the stuff you need to do. Again, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm telling you what the universe's energies are around you. Now get to work and see what I'm talking about, because then it'll be obvious. You should be able to see what it is they're talking about, because I have no idea in which way you should go when it comes to which investments or which opportunities. I'm just saying, look for them. They are there. All right. Let me know how this resonates with you. Also, people, I am the only guy on YouTube that is doing the financial tarot information. So please help me grow this channel, help other people learn and grow from this. I don't want other people hurt. I don't want anyone hurt from this financial crisis we're going through and all the ups and downs. So please share this channel out. I would help me grow my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and follow buttons. Again, that share is a big one, and the subscribe is big too. With that said, I'm going to let you go. Have an amazing week. Again, find that hidden gem, and then send me a comment. Let me know what that gem was. I'm curious. Stay tuned for more information from me coming soon about a sequence called Hidden Gems. And in the Hidden Gem sequence, I'm going to be popping up small companies that few people have heard about, and saying whether they should or should not be an investment in your portfolio. Watch out for it. It's called Hidden Gems. But for now, I'm going to let you go. Have a great one. Love, light, and blessings from me and my family here at Sonoran Mystic Tarot. To you and yours until next week. Bye-bye.